Show me what you got. I got a Lamborghini at home, so you gotta make it seem like, you gotta make it be different. Hey, this the fastest you can go? Come on. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Welcome to the, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is a GTR right here, Tap. This is a GT. Oh, shit. Something's light. Something's light. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh.
It's all good?
Okay.
Enjoy.
Shit. Oh, I see it. The repair over there. Down the hill?
Where it's called Big Buff. It's maybe 50% of overlap managed.
Uh-huh. That's 50%. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm good. Perfect. Oh my God. Yo. Holy
lifetime experience.
Oh my God. Hell yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my God. How do you drift though?